Most parents give an allowance but never teach money management. Then they wonder why their teenager blows $100 on video games. Here's the simple system that fixes that. Starting at age 7. If you just hand your child money, they learn to spend. If you never talk about saving or giving, they grow up with no financial habits. But a 7-year-old can't learn from a lecture. They learn from 3 jars. Get 3 clear jars. Label them. Save, 30% of allowance. Spend, 50%. Give, 20%. Every week, your child divides their money into the jars. You do not override them. Save jar for a goal at least 2 months away, like a toy or a game. When it's full, they buy it. No borrowing from save. Spend jar small treats now. Candy, stickers, a cheap app. When it's empty, they wait until next week. No bailouts. Give jar charity, a gift for a friend, or buying a sandwich for someone in need. The rule: you can spend your spend jar on anything, but once it's gone, it's gone. I will not give you extra. By age 10, they'll be budgeting for school trips. By age 16, they'll save for a car. The prepared child has the full chapter on money, including youth bank accounts, debit cards, and the magic of compound interest. Click the link in the description to get the ebook. Start the 3 jars this weekend.